Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that light bar. Fingering out. Okay.
What? The oil filter is leaking. The VTEC solenoid is leaking.
Pretty confused. Why is an AE86 having VTEC?
Yes.
Going on? What the hell is going on? Yes, this is the most typical Fujiwara Tofu shop Honda TRUENO. All the goodies inside. Let's take a look. Oh, look at that bright low max seat. Low pressure gauge, water temperature gauge, and then you got a funky meter. Now you know what's up there. Wow, wow, wee, wow. Yes, this thing is powered by the F20C Honda S2000. This is the OG. This was swapped around year 2004 or 5 when the engine was still pretty new. And today it's in for a VTEC solenoid gasket change because it's leaking oil a little bit down there to the sensor, and the oil pressure sensor there. Yeah. What is going on? It's the power of dreams, man. Magic happens. All comes in one way, comes out the other, and then the switch inside, whether or not the switch is open, controls the VTEC. There's a VTEC solenoid. So down here is where the VTEC solenoid is supposed to go in. There's an opening there. The gasket has not been changed since the engine was replaced in the car. So that's 20 years ago this car got a new engine. So from the back of the car, this looks like the typical, initial D fanboy AE86 with the Sprinter tail light. That's not USDM. TRUENO sticker, the guys added onto it. The Apex between Cam 16 is from the internet somewhere. This trunk is actually carbon fiber, even though it's fully white, so you see this shade. There's no keyhole in there. There's no wiper in here. This thing has a mishmash of parts. In the back there is a set of Volkswagen calipers holding on to a G20, Infinity G20 brake rotors. So at that time it was a track car, so I picked based on whether or not I could just go to a local parts store and buy them. So all these parts are based off some other production cars. So this caliper here says Master. That's an FC caliper.
It has a bleed cover right now.
It's a blitz cover, yeah, we saw that. And then the brake rotors from a Honda Accord. This roll cage here, it's now just a half cage. This used to be a full cage. This blue roll cage here is actually genuine Cusco. And, obviously, because it's a bolt-in cage, it's not actually certified for anything racing. With all Canadian AE86s, there's no air conditioning, so there's just a autometer sticker there for the air conditioning button.
So there's 2 keys.
Yeah, show me the keys. There you go. So Toyota key. The other one's already in there because you just never bothered taking it out.
So this is the Honda key.
Honda key, Toyota key.
And this is the Toyota key.
Yes.
What you have to do is...
Yes, that gives you the accessories power, so that all
put that key there.
Yeah, all your vents, all your things work with that one.
And then plug this in.
The Toyota key. So the Honda key goes in, and then you can turn it on without starting it. Just turn the ignition on, and there you go. You can hear the fuel pump.
And that's the S2000 gauge cluster.
Everything lights up.
S2000 cluster.
Yes. So you ask maybe why do you even have a Toyota key, right? But all the Toyota accessories are still powered by that. So without the Toyota key, you won't have your fans, power windows, door locks, and all that stuff. So that's why you have 2 keys. This car used to have a blue interior because, well, when I had it, I didn't really care about the interior color.
No, it's all red.
It's all red because you know what? It should be. That's it. They want a red interior to match that, and the whole thing is red. But the door handle is still blue. I don't know why. And the steering wheel is also not the initial D thing.
Ow. Make sure it's neutral.
How cool is that? Just like that 2000 itself. Check out your light, man.
This video is sponsored by Morimoto.
Yeah. Headlight, tail light, aftermarket. And it's very curious. They came out with a 993 application recently. And seeing Will has the coolest 993 around, we are going to put that on in the taillights. And it just showed up today.
The headlights come in next. So this is the tail light.
Yes.
So this is the
manual. Let's use a QR code. You guys can scan this and you can learn how to install it yourself. Now this is the equivalent piece. This is the factory one. And that one is the Morimoto. Oh, moment of truth. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that light bar. Look at that. Yeah, how's it works? Wow, look at that. The amber light's got here. So got yourself some Euro flare. Nice. Turn on the headlights here. And turn signals. Left and right. Hazards. Oh, how your signal works, I guess. So it's like American car. Like that. Yeah, it looks like the car from Cyberpunk 2077. You know, Keanu Reeves' car. There's a Porsche in there.
A few moments later.
The customer just dropped it off because it's snowing. That's right. It's on the snow tire right now. We're just gonna move it back into the shop.
Yeah, check it out. Okay, well, that's what we're doing. Let's go.
Check out the inside the car.
The biggest problem is that most people don't know how to open the door, and I don't either. So someone needs to teach me. Yeah, it's showing. Yeah. Oh, and then the fancy door. So fancy. Jesus. Well, first time riding in a McLaren. Let's see how far I can open this without hitting the door. All right, I'm not hitting anything. That's good. Let's try to get it.
Even though I was just driving 10 kilometers an hour from the front to the back,
Yeah.
this one, the whole steering and the suspension feeling
Yeah.
is way hardcore than the one that he had. The GT.
Continental?
McLaren GT.
McLaren GT.
Yeah.
Okay.
And let's show the audience. I just found out there's like a winter mode. So they're expecting you to actually drive in the winter. There's lunch, and right next to lunch it says winter.
I think you mean launch, not lunch. But anyway. Sure.
Okay, lunch.
Right next to lunch is dinner. You know. Yeah. Too much activities. Will's sick today. Alright, let's tell us about 50cc quickly then. What's up with it? See the hood there? See the car there?
Car's up and running.
Insert the video there. Next year, insert the video. Okay. Excited. Fuel pressure. 0.
Nope, nothing. Wait. Yeah, fuel pressure went up. Right now is at 3 bar. 40 psi. Probably just battery dead. Alright. What?
No, it's good.
Next to Ricky.
Let's see. Hey, Ricky.
Ricky is working on Charles car.
Ricky, what's being fixed? What's happening?
Valve cover.
Oh, this valve cover leak. BMW stuff. Plastic valve cover, right? Am I right?
Valve cover replacement.
Alright, let's still talk about the 350Z then quickly. Hey?
350Z. Well, what's next will be the exhaust.
Tell us about how you want to run this.
Since it's right-hand drive, everything's blocking this way. There's no way that we can run the exhaust pipe all the way to the back. Well, not all the way to the back, but from here to the back. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go forward and then up and over and join the other side of the pipe.
I'm not looking forward to it. But
Nope.
you'll be the one that's welding, right? Or Enrique's welding.
I'll be working.
Oh, okay. That will be very interesting. So tell us about the FD. That's finally came in. That's actually the first time this is on YouTube. This FD 3S. It didn't go inside last time either. It's never on YouTube.
This is my other car.
Yes.
Gonna clean up a little bit. Gonna do the dash swap. Clean up some gauges and the cluster.
Replace all this.
Yes.
All those holes in there for the other gauges are gonna be filled up with the new dash.
And then we paint the front bumper and the hood. Just clean it up a little bit.
Yeah.
And make it run better.
13B. It's all there. Single turbo, size of your head, right there. It's you can tell Will is has a masochistic behavior because he likes everything that breaks easily. One is a rotary, the other is a 911. But anyway, everybody on the comment will be like, "Oh, you should put the engine from the 911 into this thing because it'll be OS swap." But we're not doing OS swap on here. Surprise!
Well, we're keeping the rotary. That's the advantage of only in the shop, right? Stuff here.
But funny enough, this thing giving you less problems than everything else you have, really. Silly things. Yeah.
Yes.
No engine, no anything yet, at least.
Yeah.
Sweet. So today, because Will is sick, I'm doing the Tai Chi work here. Tai Chi. Anyway, tell people to subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah.
Comment down below.
Yeah. Wish him to recover earlier. Maybe more subscribers.
14 degrees here in Richmond, BC.
It's actually only -4 right now. It's not as fun anymore.
That day I had to go and rescue some
Guy in Lexus.
Some guy with a Lexus.
That's for another episode.
Well, it's not filmed, but yeah, that shit. Well, people call up and just
24-hour service.
Roadside assist and happen to be -14 degree and just sick like a horse.
Okay. Well, like and subscribe. Share it to your friends. In Chinese, it's sick like a what? Sick like a dog is what you say in English.
Like a dog, okay.
Horse, I don't know about
I
that.
don't know horse.
You're hung like a horse, not sick like a horse, right? Just like and subscribe, share it to your friends, comment below. Subscription will help Will clear his code.
Yeah.
Trust me, just more subscribers was what we need.
More subscribers. We're giving Elrod away next video.
Yes. If you subscribe, you have a chance to win this whole car.
Only subscribers, okay?
Okay, only subscribers.
Comment
Yes.
down below.
Yeah, we'll add the membership thing later, and then you'll get more stuff. All right.